Open the server address in your browser and log in with your username and password.
Go to the product page, click Added. Enter the product information denotes required fields. Click Submit to create a product. Navigate to the Product Settings section within the Settings interface. Under Export or Import fields, select the desired product fields. Access the product interface, export product data to Excel and perform bulk modifications or creations. Return to the product interface, click Upload and proceed with bulk modifications or creations. Enter the ink display and template interface. Click Added to create a template. Name, type, and direction should be modified as needed. The rest can remain at default settings. ESL models are defined by size plus color. For example, 2.9 black, white, red, yellow tag is ESL 29 Bri. Click the design, enter the template design interface. Choose the element you want to add. If you want to use one template for multiple goods to display, you can bind elements and products through variable fields. The correspondence is shown in the table. Enter the picture interface. Click the Added. Enter the picture name and upload the picture PNG, JPG, JPEG. Adjust the height and width. Choose the way to process picture. There is not much difference between these four ways. The processing effect can be previewed on the picture interface.
Enter your account and password. Click Set Host to fill in the server URL, and then log in. Go to the function screen. Find BEETE. Click Search to scan for nearby Bluetooth ESL and report them to the cloud server. Go to BLE EPD. Click the Bind button. Enter the ESL barcode or scan the ESL barcode to bind the device. Enter the product number or scan the product barcode to bind the product. Select a template that matches the ESL size. Enter the bottom Bind button. Click the Task button. Here you can see the Bluetooth ESLs waiting to be refreshed. Click Start Task and the ESLs will begin refreshing.